So what's up, folks? I'm Steven. Me and my buddy Brandon are Xhausted. And these are two Zero SRFs that have already been shown on the channel now. And I'm just gonna fill y'all in right out the gate. Idea is gonna take these two motorcycles and make one four-wheeler. I've been in here jamming out. My buddy Brandon mentioned Tom McDonald the other day, so I cut him on YouTube and just fired it up and started building this thing. So this is gonna be kind of like the cage, if you could imagine. Cage in the center. It's gonna be in a lay down deal, real low CG, not too wide either, really. Pretty skinny cage, fashion between them. There's gonna be some connecting points between the bikes directly, from rear to rear, front to front, fork to fork. Yeah, I need some support. It's gonna happen. You know, there's a million ways that it could be done. There's one best way. The best way would be if Zero, and I'm trying every way I can to like kind of relay the message, like, hey, if I can run this thing on one throttle and one cruise control, these bikes will be sick as a four-wheeler. I'm so excited about it. And this brake situation can easily be worked out as well, either in a foot pedal configuration for both pedals at once, then it's just plumbing, or just run them both off of one, because really, man, this thing, it stops so fast already, it's scary. It's like it slings the eyes out of the front of your head. It's pretty good. You should be able to stop. So I think that really one master cylinder or an upgraded master cylinder would be a plausible option as well. Moving the pods or relocating them with pigtails, ditching a lot of the bike, folks. I know the motorcycle people are going to be real sick, but I got to do it. I don't want a motorcycle, I want a four-wheeler. So a lot of what you see is just going to be gone. Everything, top seats, don't need none of that stuff, need none of the gas tank. One set of handlebars, hopefully. There's tons of small pieces and whatnot, so it's going to be gone. And it's going to be a street legal, hoping to be 0 to 60 under 3 seconds, yet repeatable ripper, and yeah, real cheap to keep. No oil changes, no nothing, no, yeah, pretty much a belt, brakes, tires. That's, yeah. And if you burn up a piece, it's simple, it's easy. The 110 horsepower motor goes out. Oh, my Civic's broke down. Well, how long does it take you to get a motor out of something that's gas? I mean, I can get that motor out in no time. Battery, same thing. I mean, really, an impact and a socket set and a wrench set and a torque set, and this bike can be blown apart in just a matter of, you know, no time. So this thing though, this is just like on a whim. I'm legit just winging it. It's gonna be interestingly shaped when I'm done. I mean, it's just sitting there like this is not fastened down at all right now, so ignore that bar. But the other side is like mocked up, and yeah, there'll be a few more braces, but that's the layback, excuse me. Yeah, it's gonna be laid down. So the overall height of the cabin, if you will, is 14 inches. So it's gonna be interesting. The spoiler height may be higher than that, maybe like 17, 18 when I'm done, but yeah, it's gonna be cool. So that's just the first update on like where I'm at. Sorry I didn't get anything at all in the coming up with this process. It's because I think about each thing like too long. So it would be like a 5-hour video of me thinking. You don't want to watch that. Nobody wants to watch that. I love watching that. But anyway, I'll get back with y'all soon. Thanks. Almost forgot to say, thanks Go Power Sports. Go see Sev. He's the man. He sold me both of these. He cut me a little slack on them, and I really appreciate it. It helped me get the bikes. So yeah, go talk to Sev, y'all. Thanks.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm right.